Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at a variant of our favorite DC character, Zatanna. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Zatanna from the DC Superhero Girls series. 6 years and older, which we definitely qualify from the Cartoon Network show. And as you can see, it's a bit cartoony. Okay, it's actually a Barbie doll variant. Okay, I try to collect Zatannas because I have a shrine of Zatanna in my shelf. So this is a welcome addition. We can see a lot of stars, a lot of magic sparkles, typical for as it appeals to children. And at the back, we see a quick description of the character. Okay, so let's take a look. A mesmerizing magician whose magic is real, Zatanna often must choose between the stage and the mission. Okay, so I haven't watched the show, any episode of it. I've seen advertisements of it, so that's why I looked up and got this figure from Mattel and all of these brands. Okay, so we can see here also available are other DC bombshells: Green Lantern, Batgirl, Supergirl, Wonder Woman, Bumblebee, Katana, and of course our favorite Zatanna. Okay, recently in HeroClix, they made sort of cartoon HeroClix in Batman Team Up. Okay, they base it on Teen Titans Go. And unfortunately, Zatanna is not part of that. So I hope that in the coming DC set for 2024, I hope there's a new Zatanna in town. Okay, and perhaps in the future, DC superhero Zatanna HeroClix figure. But we cannot wait for that long. So let's unbox her. Released 2019 by Mattel. And you can see it is secured with a plastic rope. And let's take out all of that. Oops. Okay. There we go. Okay, the cape is also fastened. And we can see the... What part is it? You have to be a little bit extra careful. There you go. Okay. So the box contains a landscape of, I don't know what city this would probably be, like Metropolis. Okay, I assume. And we see her. Okay, you have to fix the hair. We don't have a Barbie brush as you would imagine. Okay. And let's see. Cape is here. All good. Okay. And yeah. Arms. It doesn't come with any accessory. The arms are movable, although a bit, they're not so proportionate. Okay. He needs to be holding something like a wand. Okay, but they did not include any wand in the box. Okay, so we'll probably have to find a substitute. And then this one, it looks like she's casting a spell. Okay, that might be a good pose for her. Legs, these boots, the entire boot seem to be removable. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay. And yeah, not a lot of mobility on the legs. Okay. The head, of course, great eyes, purple eyes. Okay, with a highlight of pink. Very girly. Okay, but it's all good. Any Zatanna is a good welcome addition to our shrine. Okay, So let me see if she can stand. Oops, that will be a bit hard. Yeah, stilettos. It's hard to stand on stilettos. Okay, so but anyway, that's it for this video. Okay, Zatanna has done his charm once again, casting a spell on us, saying bye bye.